In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rental website on Wix. First, log into your Wix account and start a new site. Click Create New Site, then choose a template that matches what you rent. Real estate, hotel, vacation rental, or services if you're renting items like gear or vehicles. Don't worry too much about perfection at this stage. You can customize everything later. Once you've picked a template, open it in the editor by clicking Edit Site so you can begin tailoring it to your brand. Next, add a booking or rental system so visitors can reserve directly on your site. If you're offering vacation homes or rooms, use Wix Hotels. From the dashboard, go to Apps and open the App Market, search for Wix Hotels, and add it to your site. Then enter the essentials, room or property details, pricing per night, and an availability calendar. Be sure to enable online payments so guests can check out smoothly. If you're renting equipment, cars, or service-based items, choose Wix Bookings from the App Market. Create a service for each rental item, set the duration, hourly or daily, configure availability, and connect payments. Clear naming and accurate time slots help prevent double bookings and reduce customer questions. Now build a strong property details page that answers everything a guest wants to know. Add high-quality photos, an amenities list, pricing, house rules, a location map, and a reviews section. In the editor, click Add Elements, then insert a gallery for images, text for descriptions and policies, a map to show where you are, and reviews to build trust. Keep your descriptions concise but informative, and use consistent photo sizes for a polished look. Set up payments by going to Settings and choosing Accept Payments. Connect a provider like PayPal, Stripe, or Wix Payments. Decide whether you'll take full payment, a deposit only, or allow pay at arrival. Make sure your currency, taxes, and refund policy match your business rules before you go live. Round out your site with essential pages, a home page that guides visitors, an about page to share your story, a rental listings page, a booking page, a contact page, and a helpful FAQs page to address common needs. Before publishing, switch to mobile view and fine-tune the experience. Resize images, check that the calendar and booking forms look great. Adjust spacing for readability, and run through a test booking. When everything feels right, click Preview to double-check your flow, then hit Publish. Your rental website is live and ready for bookings.